If you want to remotely control PC on your OnePlus 15R, first of all, we're gonna open Settings, then go to Device Connect over here, and you should be able to find the PC option. Now, in order to be able to remotely control PC, you will have to use the OnePlus app, or OnePlus Connect app, actually. This is, of course, the app that we have over here, and we need to install it on our computer. So what you can do is you can open the browser and go to connect.oppo.com, and then over here we can easily download the app for Windows and Mac OS. Once you get the app, we need to sign into our account. You can also choose to sign in to connect manually, I mean. If you tap over here, then we can scan the QR code over here, or we can use a USB cable. But for your convenience, I can actually recommend you using the OnePlus account. So we're gonna click over here, and I'm pretty sure actually remotely controlling PC requires you to use an account. So we're gonna click on a sign in here on the left side, and then we're gonna choose OnePlus, and of course you should sign into the same account that you use on your OnePlus 15R. Once you sign in, we're gonna go back to the phone, and then over here in the remote PC control option, we should be able to press to connect to a new device, and you should be able to find your computer quite easily. So we're gonna select it. Now over here we have the remote desktop, so we can easily tap on this button over here in order to try to connect. And let's see if that's gonna work. There we go, we are loading our PC, and there we go. Now I have the view of my computer. As you can see, I can use the mouse quite easily. I can also find some quick actions where I can switch displays, for example. If you have more than one display, we can also send files to PC, restart it, power it off, and so on and so forth. So if I tap on this button, let's say over here at the bottom, as you can see, I can still generate the QR code if I want to for some reason, or I can just do anything I want on my PC. This is just the app that is opened right now. Let me actually zoom in because I cannot really press it. And there we go. With two fingers, we can slide to the left and to the right. I should be able to, for example, find my account over here, so I can, for example, manage it. And I can minimize the app, and I can just use my computer however I want it to be used. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.